Ladies and gentlemen, future English champions, struggling students, confused beginners, and even the confident ones who only know how to say, "How are you? Fine, thank you." Welcome. Today I want to talk to you about one of the most feared creatures in the world. No, not lions, not taxes, not even your ex. I'm talking about English. Yes, that strange language that can confuse your brain, make your tongue twist like a pretzel, and sometimes make you want to run back to your mother tongue crying like a baby. But wait, what if I told you English is not a monster? What if I told you learning English is not just possible, but actually easy and sometimes funny too? Yes, I said it. This is how to learn English fast. The motivational speech you never knew you needed. Let's go. First, let's deal with this negative thinking. Every time I hear someone say English is too hard, I want to cry in 3 languages. English is not hard. Confusing? Yes. Silly? Sometimes. But hard? No. Think about this. The plural of mouse is mice, but the plural of house is not heis. Why? Because English was invented by people who drank too much tea and probably didn't sleep enough. But that's okay. You don't need to understand every joke of the language. You only need to use it. You don't need to know why read is pronounced like read today and read yesterday. You just need to read it, write it, speak it, and hear it. That's how you learn. So first rule, stop saying English is hard. Start saying English is fun. Before we even start discussing grammar, vocabulary, or pronunciation, we must first address the engine that powers all learning. Motivation. Without motivation, even the best textbooks and teachers will feel useless. You'll open a dictionary, yawn, and fall asleep before you get to the letter B. But with motivation, you'll find yourself learning English from street signs, song lyrics, and even cereal boxes. Let's be honest, English is not a magical language you absorb by accident. You have to chase it. But why should you chase it? That's the key question. Your why is your superpower. So pause for a moment and ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Is it to get a better paying job or earn a promotion? Is it to pass your IELTS, TOEFL, or university exam? Is it to understand your favorite Netflix shows without reading subtitles? Or maybe, is it to impress that special someone who only replies to texts in English? Whatever your reason is, big or small, hold on to it tightly, because that reason is what will push you to keep learning even when it's hard. Motivation is not about how educated or smart you are. It's about how deeply you desire change. Even if you're 70 years old and the only English word you know is hello, you can still learn. If you are motivated, your brain will make space. You'll find new ways, make time, overcome fear, and even laugh at your own mistakes. When you are truly motivated, no excuse is strong enough to stop you. So fuel up. Your reason is your rocket. Let motivation lift you into the world of English fluency. How did you learn your first language? You didn't sit in a classroom. You didn't take notes. You didn't say, "Mother, I will now conjugate the verb to go." No, you listened. You copied. You made mistakes. People laughed. You tried again. You kept going. That's exactly how you must learn English too. Become a baby again. Watch cartoons in English. Talk to yourself in English. Sing in the shower in English. Even if your dog runs away, make mistakes. Lots of them. The more mistakes you make, the faster you learn. English is not a subject, it's a habit. The more you use it, the more natural it becomes. You cannot learn English by studying 1 hour a week. That's like eating 1 grain of rice a day and hoping to become fat. You have to surround yourself with English. Change your phone language to English. Follow English pages on social media. Stick English words on your mirror, fridge, and even your toilet door. Imagine learning the word flush while flushing. Powerful. Create an environment where English becomes part of your life. Don't run after English. Let English chase you. Make it so natural that even your dreams start having subtitles. They say people who talk to themselves are crazy. That's a lie. People who talk to themselves in English are genius. Talking to yourself in English is the cheapest and most effective way to practice speaking. You don't need a partner. You don't need a Zoom call. You don't need to pay a teacher $50 per hour who will just nod and say, "Good job." Just look in the mirror and say, "How was my day? What will I do tomorrow? What would I do if I won $1 million?" Your mouth needs training. Your lips need exercise. Your tongue is a muscle. Work it. If you don't speak English daily, don't expect fluency. Language is not math. You can't just remember it. You must live it. Many learners memorize thousands of English words but can't speak a single sentence. Why? Because words are like bricks. Phrases are like a house. If you have bricks but no design, you're just carrying heavy stuff for nothing. Instead of learning apple, eat red today, just learn the full phrase. I ate a red apple today. That's one phrase, 5 words, and you already sound like Shakespeare's cousin. Practice common phrases. Can I help you? What time is it? I'm just looking, thank you. These phrases are ready-made English. Use them and you'll speak like a pro without even understanding grammar. Grammar is important, but don't let it kill your motivation. Grammar is like salt. A little makes the food tasty. Too much, you'll throw up. Focus on communication first. Speak bad English, but speak. Make errors, but express yourself. Do you know how many Americans say I seen it instead of I saw it? Millions. Do they die? No. Speak first, polish later. No, I don't mean a romantic crush, but hey, if that works, go for it. I mean a language role model. Someone who speaks English the way you dream to. It could be a YouTuber, a TED Talk speaker, a comedian, even Mr. Bean, though he mostly says nothing. Watch them. Copy their tone, repeat their jokes, mimic their style. When you imitate someone, you start to speak like them. It's called shadowing, and it works like magic. Let me tell you, your mistakes in English will be some of the funniest moments of your life. One guy said to his boss, "I'm boring." He meant, "I'm bored." His boss believed him and gave him more work. Another said, "I'm pregnant with ideas." We all ran away. Mistakes are gold. Don't hide from them. Laugh at them, learn from them, and keep going. Nobody likes prison. So why do you treat English like jail? Make it a game. Use apps like Duolingo, Memrise, or Quizlet. Play English games online. Join speaking challenges on social media. Watch English TikToks, but choose smart ones. Gamify your learning. Set goals. Today I will learn 5 new phrases. This week I will watch 3 English movies. Every morning I will talk to myself for 5 minutes. Turn English into a game and you will play it every day. God gave us 2 ears and 1 mouth. Use them in that ratio. The more English you listen to, the more you absorb. Podcasts while you walk, audiobooks while you cook. English music while you dance like no one's watching. Listening builds your brain's English database. One day you'll just speak without thinking too much. And when people ask how you did it, just say, "I was listening while eating spaghetti." Let me say this loud and clear. Consistency beats talent. Consistency beats memory. Consistency beats fear. Even 15 minutes a day of real practice will make you fluent faster than someone who studies 10 hours once a month. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up every day. Do you love football? Watch football interviews in English. Do you love cooking? Follow English recipe channels. Do you love gossip? Read English celebrity news. Just don't spread it. When you mix English with what you love, it becomes a passion, not a punishment. Many people wait until they are fluent before they speak. That's like waiting to be fit before you go to the gym. Fluency comes because you speak, not before you speak. So start now. If your English is 10%, speak 10%. Tomorrow it will be 12%. Next week, 15%. Next month, people will say, "Hey, are you from London?" One of the biggest mistakes you can make while learning English, or anything in life really, is comparing yourself to others. Please don't do it. It's like comparing a mango tree to a coconut tree and complaining, "Why am I not tall and full of coconuts?" My friend, you are a mango tree. Stay focused. Your season will come. Some people will learn English very fast. Others will take longer. Some will start speaking fluently in 6 months, while others might need 2 years just to build confidence. That's okay. Everyone learns at a different pace. Some people are good at listening but struggle with speaking. Others write beautifully but get nervous when asked to talk. And you know what? That's completely normal. Your English journey is like your fingerprint, completely unique. There's no copy, no shortcut, no template. It's yours alone. Your experiences, your background, your environment, all of these shape how you learn. So instead of comparing yourself to others, compare yourself to the person you were yesterday. If yesterday you only knew how to say hi and today you managed to say good morning, you're growing. If last week you couldn't understand an English video and this week you understood 3 words, that's progress. Be proud of the small wins. Clap for yourself when no one else does. Success is not about being the best in the world. It's about being better than you were before. Celebrate your efforts and keep going. Don't let someone else's fluency make you feel like a failure. Your time will come. Just keep learning, keep laughing at your mistakes, and trust your journey. Because your journey is beautiful, and it's yours. My friends, let me close with this. The world speaks English not because it's perfect, but because it's possible. You have a voice, you have ideas, you have dreams, and English is one of the most powerful tools to share those dreams with the world. So stop hiding. Stop saying I can't. Start saying I'm learning. The next time someone asks you, "Do you speak English?" don't say a little. Say, I'm getting better every day because you are.